Hello everyone, my name is Akshita Agarwal and I'm back again with another interesting video. So today we are going to talk about 5 must-have foods during winters. Now there are plenty of foods, seasonal foods which are available in winter, but I will tell you 5 power foods which will not only make your winter comfortable but also prevent any kind of side effects that might come from winters. I've done another video on the effects of winter on your body. So I will be leaving the link below in the description. Do watch it and try to learn how to use winter to your advantage. So let's start with the very first food. The very first food is desi ghee. So as you know, most of the households already use ghee, but in winters it has special significance. Along with keeping your skin hydrated, it also keeps you warm. It keeps all the allergies and cold and cough at bay. Along with that, it also provides you with good amount of calories which are required to generate heat in your body. And the most important function of ghee during winters is that it prevents any kind of constipation. As we know that we tend to get dehydrated during winters, so constipation is often common complaint of patients during winters, and ghee, 1 teaspoon of ghee, that is 5 grams of ghee, will help you in keeping this at bay. Second important food that you must have during winters is jaggery or shakkar in Hindi. So, 5 grams of jaggery every day will give you, the following benefits. First of all, it will keep you warm. Secondly, because of its carbohydrate content, it will also keep you hydrated. Now everybody knows that salt has a, water holding tendency. So does the carbohydrates. So, in case you want to have sugar in the winter season, jaggery is your best bet because it will keep you hydrated, it will give you the required calories, it will also curb the sugar cravings. But unlike white sugar, it is also loaded with minerals and antioxidants which will help you further in enhancing your health. Coming on to the along with that, jaggery also improves your digestion. Many people complain of indigestion during winters because they tend to have heavier food compared to winter season during compared to summer season during winters. So having one small piece of jaggery, probably 5 grams of jaggery every day, will also help you in boosting your digestion in order to digest whatever heavy foods you have been having. Third important food that you can have during winters is peanuts. Now, peanuts are an absolute favorite during winters, and many people anyways take it. But the problem comes when you fry it, or when you convert it, when you coat it with besan and fry it, or you are consuming too much of it. So my suggestion is that stick to 8 to 10 pieces per day. Don't overdo it. The benefits that peanut can give you is that a, it is a calorie dense food, so obviously it will help you in generating heat for the winters. Secondly, it is loaded with protein. Thirdly, it is loaded with omega 3, which will help you in keeping a good skin health, and it will help you in keeping a good hair health. So if you want to have peanuts every day, go ahead, but stick to 8 to 10 pieces so that it does not affect you negatively because of the calorie excess. Coming on to the next food that will help you during winters is turmeric. Now, haldi doodh is a very, or golden milk is a very famous, thing in India, and we usually tend to take it during winters. But those of you who want to know why, is because turmeric is a very good, it has a very strong antioxidant known as curcumin, and it will protect you against any possible infections during the winters, or any possible congestion during the winter. Also, it has a very good antibacterial, antiviral property. It is very good for boosting immunity, and it also keeps you warm. So a pinch or two of turmeric in your milk will go a very long way in maintaining good health during winters. Coming on to the final food is ajwain. Now, ajwain is again very great food when it comes to curing indigestion during winters or keeping you warm. It also has many benefits in dealing with cold and congestion, and keeping all the discomfort related to cold and cough at bay. So I hope you include these 5 foods in your routine. Coming on to the quantity of ajwain. So again, 1/4 of a teaspoon is enough. And in case you feel too much cold, then you can increase it to probably half teaspoon a day. But a fair warning here: if you are adding ajwain in your diet, do add a glass of water a long extra glass of water along with the regular intake of your water, so that it does not create any kind of allergies or any kind of pimples or any breakouts on your skin. So with this, I will conclude this video. And if you like this video, do share it with your friends and family so that they can also keep healthy during the winters. And I will see you in my next video. Do subscribe to my channel because I keep posting such helpful content. Thank you.